Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. The weather looks very nice, but it's snowy and cold, but it looks so good. I love it. I just wanted to tell you something. I will show you some solutions that I have found for a technical problem. Please watch the video, and if it helps you, I would appreciate your support very much. See you, bye. Guys for watching the video. I hope that you found the solution or the solutions helpful, and please consider liking the video, commenting down below, or subscribe my channel, or all of them at once. It will help me a lot. See you, bye.